Manresa Town isn't just a place to live. It's a complete lifestyle destination. Here's what you'll find: educational facilities, schools, libraries, and a student center for academic excellence. Residential areas, condos, villages, and dormitories for families and professionals. Commercial spaces, retail and businesses for added convenience. Recreational zones, forest reserves, sports fields, and an amphitheater for a balanced life. Every detail is designed for comfort, growth, and sustainability. Whether you're looking for your dream home or a smart investment, Manresa Town delivers.